Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In today's video, we will start solving lecture series of VCE Mathematical Method Exam 2025. In the previous video, we have done all the questions, question number 1 to 5. You can find in the playlist on Math Solver 1117. In today's class, we will start from question number 6. So grab your notebook and try to solve by yourself and also check your solution. In this video, I will solve question number 6, 7 and 8 in a very easy and simple way with each and every step is explained that you can solve these questions in exam. So given is value of distribution is binomial distribution is 6 and 1 by 4. So in binomial distribution, you know that b of n will be here is 6 and the value of the p is 1 by 4. Then in the a part, what you have to find? In the a part, you have to find the variance of x. And in the b part, you will have to find the probability. Condition is given x should be greater than or equal 5 in the form of a by 2 raised to power b, and the a and b both belong to z. So how we will solve this? We will solve this as we have binomial distribution is this. So value of n is 6 and value of p is 1 by 4. This is the probability of success. Probability of failure is q, that will equal 1 minus 1 over 1 minus p. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Now you have to find the value of variance. Its formula is n times p times q. Value of n is 6. 6 times p is 1 by 4 and q is 3 by 4. So this has become 9. We will cancel out 3 2 times 6, 3 2 3 times 6, then 9 by 8. This is the variance. Now you have to find, this is the solution for a part. Now for b part, you have to find the probability of x should be greater than or equal 5. It's mean you will find its maximum value is 6. So just probability of x equals 5 plus probability of x equals 6. And the formula for binomial distribution of probability is this. N, k and the p raised to power k. Here we represent this by k. P, k and q 1 minus n minus k. This is the formula. First of all, you have to find the value of the, we will solve this further here. For b part, again write the formula of probability. X equals greater than or equal 5. So this will become equals, you have to find probability at x equals 5 plus probability of x equals 6. So it will become 6, 5 and 1 by 4 power 5 and 3 by 4 power 6 minus 5 is 1. And the other is 6 and 6. 1 by 4 power 6. 3 by 4 power 0. So it will become 6 times 1 by 1024. 3 by 4, 18 by 4096. So, and plus 1 by 4096. Or first we find all of them. So This will be 1 by 4096. All this become 18 by 4096 plus 1 by 4096. So your answer is 19 by 4096. So this is the answer. I hope you understand how to solve question number 6. Just you have to remember the formula. So you can see this is, now convert this in the power form also, because he said that. So this will become 19 by 2 raised to power 12. Write our answer here. We will write answer 19 by 2 raised to power 12. So A is 19 and the B is 12. Now we will start question number 7. Now here the question number 7 is 5. F r goes to r. F of x is given x cube minus x square minus 16x minus 20. You have to find the value at x equals 5. So how we will start this? We will substitute value f of 5. X cube means 5 cube minus 5 square minus 16 into 5 minus 20. 5 cube is 125 minus 5 square is 25 minus 80 minus 20. So this will become 125 minus 25 is 100 minus 100, that equals 0. So our final answer will equal 0. Now we will start part B. Now we solve the B part, in which we have f of x. You have to write f of x in form of x plus d square into x minus 5. So we will substitute values, synthetic division, 1 minus 1 minus 16 and 20 minus 20. 5, 1 remain as it is, 1 into 5 is 5. Then this will be 4. 4 time, this is the 4, then 4 5 time 20, again 4, 4 5 time 20, remaining 0. So this will become 1 is x square plus 4x plus 4. This will become the x plus 2 whole square, which implies that our expression will become equal x plus d square into x minus 5. Here is also we have multiplied by this. So we get the value of d is, from comparing d is 2. So this is the final answer. That how we have solved this, just by comparison. Now in question number C part, he said that complete the coordinate points of all y equals f of x, and the graph is given in the question. First of all, for left x intercept, we will substitute its value. We get points minus 2 and 0 in the graph. And for right x intercept, we get 5 and 0, and y intercept is find out, we get 0 and minus 20. So these are the final answers. Now in the part D, he said that find the stationary point of D. He said that find stationary points y equals f of x, g of x. Equation is, what is the value of equation? X plus 2 square and x minus 5. So times of x plus 2, that become x plus 2 cube x minus 5. Point of inflection is x equals -2. So coordinates are, inflected point means occurs the triple root where the curve flatters and crosses the axis. So coordinates are -2 and 0. So this is the solution in the part D1, and part D2 he said that find the value of x if the multiplication of both is positive. That means both are positive gives us x plus 2 cube, x minus 5 cube is greater than or equal 0. So x is less than or equal -2 and x is greater than or equal 5. So these are the values. Now we will write the final answer here. Answer is x belongs to minus root -2. So this is the final answer. Now we will solve the last question, question number 8. Question number 8 is probability of x is greater than k equals 9/16. First of all, you have to set up the equation. And he said that in the question you have to find the k. Value of k you have to find out. How we will start? First of all, we will do the setup equation. Setup equation will be x is less than or equal k means 1 minus 9/16, that is 7/16. We will integrate this from 0 to k, 3/8 times 4 minus 3 of x d of x. That will equal 7/16. Now evaluate this value. 3/8 is taken as common. Integrate 4 is 4 of x minus 3 of x square by 2 and the limit from 0 to k. It means just substitute the value of k. This will equals 7/16. You have 3/8. This will be 9k square. 7/16 will 9k square. So 3/8, 4k minus 3k square by 2 equals 7/16. This will become 9k square minus 24k plus 7 equals 0 when we solve this. By making its factor, we get 3k minus 1 and the 3k minus 7. Then we have to find the value of k. So 3k minus 1 equals 0. K is 1/3 and the 3k minus 7 is 0. So k is 7/3. So since k is between 0 is less than k and k is less than 4/3, so we get answer k is 1/3. Now in the B part of this, he said that from 0 to 4/3, h of x, d of x, where h of x equals m of f of x plus n. Very easy and simple. M of f of x, you have to find out this. So split this integral 0 to 4/3. In place of h of x, we will write m f of x plus n d of x. Split this 0 to 4/3, f of x d of x plus n 0 to 4 by 3 d of x. Since this equals 1, because this is the total probability, so m of 1 plus 4 by 3 by n. So we will write our final result as this. We get m plus 4 by 3n. This is the final result. If you found this video helpful, subscribe MathSolver1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the last question. Keep learning, keep growing. Stay tuned.